Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO Reno 4Z, and today I will show you camera preview, all modes and settings that we can find here. So take a look. There I'm going to show you all modes. We got here ultra wide lens. So there's the night mode, the video mode. In the video mode we can zoom in to 10 times. In the photo mode the same, to 10 times. We can also open Google Lens quickly by tapping on this left icon. Here we got the beauty mode. We got filters that we can quickly apply on our photos. Here's also some kind of the filter. We got HDR, flashlight, and the more modes we can find slow motion, time lapse, expert. It's called expert, but it's the pro mode. You can change ISO, shutter speed, white balance, AF, EV. There is the panorama mode. Here is also the text scanner. The last mode is sticker. So when you click here and, for example, add maybe this sticker, you have to download, and after that you can just apply it on your photos. Okay, let me see why it's not working. Okay, probably we have to use it on the front camera, so let's see if it works. Yeah, right now it works, as you can see. So when I take photo of myself, and there we have this sticker. So that's how it looks. And we can also use the settings here. And in the settings we can change volume button function to shutter, zoom or volume. We can enable fingerprint shotting. We can enable or disable shutter sound. We can add location tags to the photos. But of course we have to enable it in the settings. Composition, so there we got the grid lines and camera leveler. Shotting methods like touch to take photo or use gesture to take photo. There is also the watermark. We can change video resolution, slow motion video, and basically that's all. So here you have all features that you can find in this smartphone and all modes. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.